Hey, I'm Denji, a virgin mafia slave who sold his nuts for money. I live alone with my plot dog, Pochita. We hunt devils and do little odd jobs to pay off our debt my deadbeat dad left us. It's not much, but it's honest work. My only life's goal is to touch some boobies. Do you think I can do it, Pochita? Yeah, you're right. I don't have any nuts anyway.
Get off your lazy ass. We've got a job for you. Denji, my boy, we made a deal with the Walking Dead devil, so now we no longer need you. Now we have Norman Reedus! Go, my minions, kill him! But don't fight him and turn him into a zombie! That would end the show too early!
Damn it! The Walking Dead died off after season 4!
What?! The Walking Dead is still the best show ever made!
No way! Is this how I really die? Pochita, you saved me! Pochita!
You're still alive! No matter. Eat him, my minions! Turn him into a zombie anyway!
You hurt my good boy. Now you will pay!
Well, that was easier than Negin Glen.
Ah! You hurt my dog! Now I'm gonna hurt you!
Oh, stop! I'm so sorry, please!
Yeah!
Yeah! We still have to read this for another 5 seasons!
Walking Dead is dead! Yeah! I'm set free, baby!
The next day.
It appears that the fighting is over. My work here is done.
But you didn't do anything.
I'm a military recruiter. You get 3 free meals a day, a base salary, paid time off, insurance, and retirement. You should join the army, or die.
You had me at 3 meals.
Now that I own you, you either say yes ma'am or woof, like the dog you are.
And here I thought she was cool. I wouldn't be caught dead with a woman like her.
We're stopping to get something to eat. Here, put my jacket on and get whatever you like off the menu. My treat.
I think I've fallen in love with her.
This is Aki Hayakawa, the only sane person in this entire show. He will be your partner.
Huh? Not you, Miss Makima?
Let's go, kid.
Wait, Miss Makima! So then when I was 14, I sold my nuts for $500. My dog just merged with me, so I got them back, but I'm not sure if they're mine or his. What the hell is wrong with you?
You were annoying me. Plus, I don't want your dog nuts near Makima, so I'll tell her you ran away.
Yeah? Well, you won't even get to use yours after I'm done!
Since you two work so well together, I am assigning Denji to live with you, Aki.
Is this a joke?
Don't worry, Aki. I'm housebroken. This is going to be so much fun living together.
Fucking kill me.
Oh, yeah. Now I'm eating good.
Repulsive.
I want to be the very best. Bow, bow. No one ever was. Bow, 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 bow. Catch them is my real test.
It's not a damn drum! Don't forget to flush! Am I the only sane person in this world?
Aki, Denji, allow me to introduce your newest partner. Her name is...
My name is Power, underlings! And don't forget it!
Oh, sweet. More boobs.
Yep, I am the only sane person in this world.
The devil stole my pet cat from me and I must get it back.
Oh, wow. I really don't care.
If you help me save my cat, I'll let you touch my boobies.
What are we waiting for? Let's go. I'll obliterate that devil. That piece of fucking trash.
The devil and Miss Meowie are in that house.
Well, that was easy to find.
Oh, this is the part where I betray you. Humans are so gullible.
Behold, it is I, the Bat Devil. I rose in power in 2020 thanks to the fear of the Karo.
You can't say that. YouTube doesn't like it.
Oh, my bad. Anyway, upon drinking this blood, I will be restored. What the hell? He tastes like dog shit.
Hey! I brought you a human to eat. Now give me back this meowie.
That was the deal, wasn't it? However, I have decided to eat Miss Meowie anyway, because I am evil.
Meowie.
And now, for dessert.
Boobs! It's chainsawing time!
What the hell is wrong with you?
Ha!
Ha!
Ah!
Sa-
Are the waifus! Time for you to die, so I can finally touch some boobs!
Please, wait.
Ah!
Why did you save me?
Titties.
What an idiot.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
I am the Nipple Devil, partner of the Bat Devil. Now I want my revenge.
When I said I wanted to touch some boobies, this isn't what I meant.
So this is the Chainsaw Man. What a joke.
Fox!
Hiya!
Everyone evacuate the civilians. I will check up on Denji and Power. Report, ma'am. Denji and Power defeated the the Bat Devil and Nipple Devil with no casualties.
Excellent work. But didn't Denji and Power leave their designated area?
Yes, ma'am. However, given the results, I think we can overlook this.
Then, as a precaution, Power will move in with you and Denji.
I'm sorry.
She what?
It is I, Power! And I will be living with you from now on. Tremble as I
What the
devour your
hell?
delicious
That's my
toast.
toast! Give me back my
Please,
super toast!
can I
My toast!
have a
Give it back!
raise?
No.
I do not flush the toilet, nor do I bathe.
I'm
gonna
gonna
kill
kill her.
Denji, as part of our deal, I will let you squeeze them 3 times.
Oh yeah!
3 days later.
Is something wrong, Denji? You seem off.
I finally completed my life's goal, but now I don't know what else to do. And I just feel kind of empty.
You touched some boobies, didn't you?
Yeah.
Denji, if you kill the gun devil for me, I will do anything you want.
Anything I want?
Yes, anything, Denji.
You would even tell the viewers to like the video and subscribe to Overload?
Yes, Denji. I would gladly tell the viewers to like the video and subscribe to Overload. Oh, shit. Anyway, Denji, we are trying to find pieces of the gun devil to help us find him. I have reports that a devil with some of the gun devil's flesh was found in a hotel. Don't disappoint me.
Yes, ma'am!
This is the place. Though with this pool, it's likely not the gun devil itself.
Oh, that sucks. I only want the gun devil so Makima will do it with me.
A weak devil like that is not worth my time.
I'll pay you in gum.
Can I have some gum too, sir?
No. I only use it to keep these two from talking.
No one ever pays me in gum.
Kobeni, do something silly and quirky and stay right there. What the?
How is that even possible?
Looks like we're trapped on the 8th floor. This is bad. If we don't figure out something soon, we will all starve to death and die.
Guys, I grew up poor. I know exactly how to deal with being hungry. Watch.
Did he really just go to sleep?
I am the old devil with my powers. My guests will never leave.
We should run!
Sign up for rewards program. Your 6 days on us.
Well, at least we have a little food. Huh? Where did all the food go?
Denji did it.
We're all gonna die.
We'll be completely fine, guys. Watch this. It's chainsawing time! Woohoo! Yeah!
Holy shit! He's chainsawing all over those guys!
3 days later.
I give up. Please, just kill me.
What? Quitting already? Pathetic!
Thank you for staying at the Hilton.
Let's party to celebrate.
Woohoo! Party time!
After a few drinks, I'll give you a big kiss for saving us, Denji. Oh, Denji.
Holy shit! My first kiss! Wait, is that right? What the hell?
I'm not sure to be jealous of you kissing Himeno, or glad that she didn't pick me.
It should have been me, not him. It's not fair.
Thanks everyone for coming. It was fun. Wait, where's Denji?
Himeno is taking him back to her place.
Denji, you're wasting yourself on Makima. Why don't you and I do it together?
Oh, yeah. Himeno, wait! I'm only 16!
Huh?
Ladies and gentlemen,
What?
we got him.
The next day.
So, I'm going to jail in a week.
Well, that sucks. Wanna get lunch?
Sure.
My granddad was a good man. He beat up orphans, enslaved children, was a pog champion in RuneScape, and would always make his enemies suffer before he killed them. He had a heart of gold.
Okay, Boomer.
You love this too, right, Denji?
Oh, shit.
Fox!
Hiya!
Katana time!
We can't let him katana all over us.
You creepy fucking curse! Finish it now!
Nice moves. Is that the Curse Devil's power?
What is it to you? No, impossible.
Be sure to katana all over them for real this time.
Yes, my queen. Nothing personal, kid.
Well, I'm going to jail in a week anyway, so Ghost Devil, take my everything to save Aki. Gooshed all over that guy!
It's snaking time.
It's chainsawing time!
How many times are we gonna make that joke?
As many times as I want! Ah! I got one of your buddies now. What you gonna do?
Use my super duper teleporter. Nothing personal, kid. The chainsaw is ours now. We must deliver his heart to the gun devil.
In local news, a bunch of devil hunters died by guns. This is clearly an attack by the gun devil. It gains strength from people's fears of guns. So we should all do the smartest thing. Panic!
It appears the enemy is making their move. I guess I will need to use my OP powers. Prepare me 30 sacrifices. Ha ha! I mean, volunteers.
Hey, hurry up and load the Chainsaw Man.
I am
Makima.
The car, now!
Lucky for us, we're still important to the plot. Let's go while we still can.
It's because of you that we lost Hirokazu. I'm taking Denji back.
Shit! Looks like we're blasting off again.
The next day.
Give me the apple now!
Hell no! You ran away from the battle!
It's called a tactical retreat.
Just kill me already. Hey, creepy fucking curse. How much longer do I have left to live?
1 to 3 seasons. Give or take.
That was vague.
Welcome to the Keyblade Graveyard. Here you will meet Master Xehanort and he will train you to become stronger devil hunters.
You two are completely fucked up in the head. I love it. I will make you my students. Prepare for an epic training montage.
See ya.
Miss Makima, stay with me!
My name is Master Xehanort. I like booze, women, killing devils, and long walks on the beach.
What is this, your Tinder profile?
And I can't stand simps. Rule number 3259. Never let your guard down. Now, let's start the training. I'm going to constantly hunt you and kill you until you toughen up. I hope you enjoy this new form of hell I created for you mortal freaks.
Welcome to Devils Are Us. Please browse your choice of devil to your heart's content.
I want the future devil.
Dang. One guy had to give up both his nuts for that one.
It's fine. Mine are pretty smashed up thanks to a certain Chainsaw Man. What is that music?
Oh, the future devil loves his raves. He must be in the middle of one. Well, go on in.
Welcome to the rave.
I really am the only normal person in this anime.
I like you. I'm gonna live in your eyes so I can see your terrible future myself. Also, I know you're just dying to find out. No Game, No Life Season 2 comes out in.
Shut up, weeb. Just get in my eye.
No problem.
This ends our epic training montage. Denji, it's time to go fight Sora. The Katana Man.
About damn time.
Can I go home?
What? No way! With all the training that we did, we're like super duper strong.
I'm going to die.
I'll handle the snake lady. You go take out Katana Man.
I choose you, Ghost Devil.
Oh, that's some bullshit.
Go right. No, my right. Up slash. Oh. Wombo. Now, spin attack. I said spin. I'm literally trying to tell you how you can win. Wow, you're really bad at this. Hey, you're not supposed to die yet. You're supposed to die at... what? Is this a flashback? Oh, come on!
Himeno and I were such good friends. She got me addicted to cancer sticks.
I didn't know you made a contract with the anime flashback devil.
It was just a prank, bro.
Kill her.
Huh?
For the sloppy blowjob devil.
Power, you go first and draw the walker's attention. I'll have your back.
My name is Power! Come, Denji! Let us bathe in the blood of our enemies!
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
It's over, Denji. I have the high ground.
But we're on the same floor.
Oh. It's Katana time!
Hey, Blade, let her rip!
Denji, what is it that you fight for?
Boo.
I see. You're a man of culture as well. Thunder breathing, first form, thunderclap and flash.
Dude, you stole that from Demon Slayer.
Thunder breathing, first form.
No one likes the spammer.
Thunderclap and flash. Without your arms, it's over, Denji.
Over these nuts! I can turn any part of my body into a chainsaw.
Nice work capturing Katana Man, Denji.
Aki, do you want to play kickballs?
Don't you mean kickball? Without an S?
No, we kick his balls until the cops show.
You son of a bitch, I'm in.
Wait, guys, hold on. It was just a prank. A prank!
And so they all lived happily ever after. Yeah, right. Who am I kidding? I'm the future devil, aka manga reader, so I can tell you that.